Welcome back to the studio, everybody. My name is Jim, and what you're about to see is the first of hopefully many videos in a series of layering colored clays. So if you're curious, get ready. It's like an infinity gauntlet, isn't it? Power stone, space stone, reality stone, time stone. Alrighty, I want to try and experiment with this clay. I don't want to marble them together because I want to control the design a little bit. So I'm going to do some very controlled layering of the clay. Let's see what happens. Here are some of the results. Despite using post-it notes, there's still some distortion in all of my designs. Ideally, you'd want to have your cuts from the big block the same thickness without any kind of rolling. Still, I'm pretty happy with these. I'm going to save them for later. Probably use these as a test for something. Now this piece here wasn't made with mason stains, but it was made by using two different colored clays with a similar process of what you just saw with the black and white clay. If you look closely, you can see there's different sections of pieces I scored together and then kind of compressed it into this block. I want to do more of this kind of process using colored clays. So if you've liked what I've shown you so far, look forward to some updates. Now remember, you can make almost any color using mason stains. Let me know what you want to see in the comments and I may just take your suggestion. Don't forget that thumbs up and to subscribe and these videos here. I'm Jim, and don't forget to make, do, and learn.